Miss Avery if you're nasty.
Huh?
Woo! So today is, what's today, Chase? Valentine's Day.
Valentine!
2020. I'm in my basement in my space, and my kids are in my space too. So, hey.
I know y'all not in that toilet. Y'all better not be in that toilet.
You're gonna hear me probably getting on them a lot. But I had to twist out. Hold on, let me adjust this. Y'all can see all of this hair. There we go. Okay, I had to twist out and insert clip here. Had to twist out, and it was really cute. And yeah, it's over. So I've been sleeping on it without a scarf. And it's been about a week now. Haven't really put anything on my hair. I don't really like to. But I got a special hairdo to review. This is water to review for you guys tonight. So I'm just about to braid my hair up and slap something on me.
Slap that on me.
Slap something on me.
Slap that on my baby.
You heard him.
Okay.
You heard him. Leave-in conditioner and water. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this hair grease on there because I don't have a. Let my scalp dirty. But it don't matter because this is only for weekend wear. It's only for the weekend. You know, I really can just, a lot of times you can just refresh your own hair, and I can retwist this and just kind of wear it cute, but no, I'm done with it. So here we go, y'all.
One eternity later.
Hey, it's one of the hardest things any woman can do is hold her arms up to braid her own hair. I commend you, mamas, okay? Look at me. About to set it off. I'm about to set it off. About to set it. Spray some water. Ooh. Forgive me, y'all. It ain't always like this. But I ain't got time. I ain't got no time before the show tonight. I'm about to throw something on it. Throw something on it. Throw something on it. And like I said, this is only for the weekend. So technically it would have only been 10 days for my last wash. Or really I did it last Saturday. I twisted it up. No, I didn't. I did it last Friday. So, let me show y'all what I got. Should I show y'all what I got? or should I wait? About to put one of these on.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
My name is gonna be Miss Avery if you're nasty.
Huh?
Woo! Tonight, so on this Valentine's Day 2020. Hey. My husband seen me with that cap on upstairs. He's like, what you putting a wig on?
Yeah.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I like it. And this helps me not to cut my hair. Makes me look really mature. So, I like it. I hope you guys like it. I'll be doing more hair tutorials. Tell me guys what you want to see. Give me some ideas too. So, you know, things you've tried. But yeah, I like it. So, until next time, peace, love, and hair grease. Crack myself up.